Hi, it's Nancy with Desire Company, and I would like to show you a couple of tricks about taking your foundation and using it a couple of different ways. And today I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage and the Smashbox Camera Ready CC Cream with SPF 30. What I want to show you is a full coverage foundation, and if you have a day where you don't want a lot of coverage, you can take a tiny drop, take a little bit of a moisturizer. This is a cream moisturizer. And you just take a little bit of your moisturizer and take a little brush. And what you're doing is taking that full coverage foundation and making it more sheer. So this is the sheared version, and you're still getting some of the coverage, but you're shearing it out so that, you know, if there's a day where you just want to throw a little something on, that's one way. Now, the other product that I want to show you is, it's already a sheer foundation on its own, but in my experience, there are so many women that this is too much foundation. So I want to show you, same thing. Take a little bit of foundation onto your palette, a little bit of cream moisturizer, and then I like to just make a little circle so that it all kind of blends. So that's what it looks like sheer. And because these two foundations have different qualities to begin with, this is matte, so there's no shine. And this is sheer, has a little sheen to it, a little kind of kick from the light. You're still getting the quality of the product, but less of it. So this still looks matte, and this still looks a little shiny. So my top 3 tips for taking your foundation and using it several different ways. You want to take your full coverage or your sheer, and you want to just have a small amount on your palette, and then a little bit of moisturizer on the palette as well. And then using a brush or your sponge or your fingers, blend it, mix it together, and then start to apply in your usual manner.